Hi, my name is Olivera, and in this short video tutorial I'll explain how to use the custom fields mapping within the Brands Gateway app. This feature is designed to help you enrich the product data by including some additional details such as color, material, size and fit. We even have dimensions and measurements for some of the products and many more. But let's go through it together. So you can find this feature inside Brands Gateway's app, then settings, and finally custom fields. Here you simply need to click on add mapping and choose the mapping that you wish to import to your store. Please note that this will be imported as metadata to your store, metadata or meta fields. So under type you can choose product or product variation. What this means is that some of the fields are populated on variant levels. So each variant of each product has its own field, and then for some of the products the custom fields are available on product level. Now for the variable ones, here we have global unique ID and MPN. So simply select the one that you wish to import, and that's all. So the remaining fields are already fulfilled and can't be edited. If this is the only mapping that you wish to import, simply click on Save. If you wish to import multiple custom field mappings, just click one more time on Add Mapping and choose all of the desired fields that you wish to have included. Now here you can see on this screen, you can see all of the fields that can be imported. We have the material, the season, collection, closure type, style, occasion. So these are all some general product fields. Now if we look a bit down, you will notice that here we have heel height and heel height unit. This refers of course only to shoes. And then we have some watch specific fields, which are watch mechanism type. Then we have the case of the material, bracelet material, and we have a few more. So you just need to select the ones that you wish to import. You can select as many as you'd like to select at a time. You can even remove some of them if you don't want to have them. And then once you are done with all of the fields that you wish to import, simply click on Save, and these fields will start populating within your store. The reset mapping button, it's important to note that this feature will not erase your current mappings. It will only reset. If you are adding new ones and click on reset, it will go back to what you've already saved. Please note that you always need to save the progress, otherwise it will not start populating the fields. Otherwise, once you make your selection of fields to be included, this will always be automatically updated on your store. And also it is important to mention that not all of the custom fields are available for all products. So we might have some of these fields, for example style, we might have this particular custom field available for a certain amount of products. If you have any questions or if there's anything that's unclear, feel free to reach out to our support team.